Tiger Woods' ex-girlfriend Erica Herman drops $30 million lawsuit, claiming he violated their tenancy agreement. Tiger Woods' ex-girlfriend Erica Herman has dropped her $30 million lawsuit, which claimed he violated an oral tenancy agreement following their split. Herman, aged 39, dismissed the case pending the result of her latest appeal of a judge's order to throw out a different lawsuit she filed to nullify a 2017 non-disclosure agreement she signed with Woods, aged 47, according to documents obtained by the New York Post on Tuesday, July 18th. That case remains pending. Herman first sued Woods' trust, the title holder, on his home in October 2022, claiming that he violated the oral agreement that stated she could live at his residence for a certain duration of time in exchange for performing valuable services. In documents obtained by Us Weekly at the time, Herman alleged that she was locked out of the home by trickery when there were 5 years left of the pair's oral agreement. She claimed that $30 million represented the reasonable rental value of the property for the remaining 5 years of the alleged agreement. Woods' trust, for their part, filed documents to dismiss Herman's complaint in November 2022. The entity claimed in response that per Herman's NDA with Woods, she was required to resolve any and all disputes, claims, or controversies with the golfer through confidential arbitration. The documents read, "By suing the trust rather than Mr. Woods, Ms. Herman seeks to evade her obligation to adjudicate her claims in a confidential arbitration and instead seeks to gain leverage by litigating her disputes with Mr. Woods in a public forum." The trust also denied the existence of an oral tenancy agreement. While a hearing for Herman's lawsuit regarding the oral tenancy was initially scheduled for August, a court document filed on June 29 announced it's been canceled due to Herman's dismissal of the suit. The filings read, per the Post, "The plaintiff, Erica Herman, by and through her undersigned counsel, hereby dismisses without prejudice her complaint, filed on October 26, 2022, pending resolution of the appeal in Herman v. Woods in determination of whether her claims are subject to arbitration." Days before the lawsuit's dismissal, Herman filed her second appeal after her case seeking to lift her NDA with Woods on the grounds that the athlete harassed her was thrown out. In May, Florida Judge Elizabeth Metzger deemed the sexual misconduct claims vague and threadbare, according to documents obtained by Us at the time. Earlier that month, Herman filed court documents that claimed Woods sexually harassed her shortly after she began working at his Florida restaurant in 2014. Her attorneys alleged that Woods forced her to sign an NDA in 2017 or else she would be fired from her job. The twosome was already in a romantic relationship at that point, but the lawyers pointed out in the filing that a boss imposing different work conditions on his employee because of their sexual relationship is sexual harassment. Herman went on to claim that Woods sexually harassed her again in 2022 when he allegedly kicked her out of their home. Woods, for this part, called Herman a jilted ex-girlfriend who wants to publicly litigate specious claims in court rather than honor her commitment to arbitrate disputes in a confidential arbitration proceeding. In his response, Woods and Herman dated for 5 years before their messy 2022 split. A source exclusively told us in March that Woods and Herman experienced a breakdown in their relationship and clashed over time and money, which ultimately led to their breakup. Woods previously made headlines in 2009 when he was caught cheating on then-wife Ellen Nordegren with several women. The duo, who shared 2 children, finalized their divorce in 2010. Woods later sought treatment for sex addiction following the scandal.